Come on, honey pussy.
To find songs.
Come on.
Come on.
Let me find songs.
You're going to play something for us?
Come on, Turkish Mars.
What happened with your turkey, Mars?
Come on, Borga.
We can do it.
Mucho barullo. I'll pay mucho barro. Mucho barro.
Can you say something in Spanish?
Oh, hijo de puta.
What else?
That's all she teach me, guys. I have no idea what that means, but she teach me. No mama espera.
What else?
Borga play.
No. Remember the last one? I told you.
Which one?
And power. Power button is right here. Woo! We got it.
Lesson number 1 successful. Find the power button.
Woo!
Can we read?
Can you remember another word, another beautiful word in Spanish?
Which one was it? There is no beautiful words in Spanish.
Remember?
Suerte malparida.
Give me 5, that's my girl. So.
Oh, where now to play?
Oh, come on, Borga. Let me show you. Let me show you technique.
So, okay, I pay 1,000 for this stupid piano.
What?
Okay. Woo! Woo!
No, play.
1, 2, 3, 4, 14. And he danced. Oh my God, look at her. Move your ass. Move your ass. Let me see your... Oh my God.
You have to play. I'm dancer here.
Oh my God, I'm going to the beat with one hand. Thank you, Barco.
Still gonna play.
Oh, come on.
From Chicago girls.
New York girls. Oh my God. That's your turn.
75.
Oh my God. No. No, that's not fair.
That was perfect. That was professional. Duran, you need some lessons?
How much?
I'm tired now.